Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an OD, welcome back, guys. As you can see by the title, we are doing a winter haul featuring Shein. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm not going to hold you guys too much longer. So the first portion that I'm going to show you guys with this haul is for my son. So let's go ahead and get into this haul. So on the website, I did purchase this white button-up top. It's a little different than the normal casual button-up. It has a different collar, which I like. It gives him more like a I'm about business type of kid, you know what I mean? So I really like that when I saw it. It's very lightweight. Has the button down pocket shirt. They did come with an extra button, which I find it helpful because sometimes after a few wears and tears, you know, the button gets a little loosey-goosey. So I'm glad they did provide that for you. And I did get all these in a 7Y. My son is not 7 yet. He'll be 7 on the 22nd of December. But I find that when I wash clothes with Shein, they kind of get a little low, if you know what I mean, like shrink a little bit. So I like to make sure I order like in a 7-8 size range. That way, once I get a good wash in, which I always wash all their clothes before they wear them, then it fits perfect. So I order a 7Y. So just to give you guys a ballpark of about how to order when you're ordering with them. My son weighs about 50. I'm not going to say that because I don't really know how much he weighs. Like, I want to say 60, but I'm not really sure if he's like right there at it. So age-wise, I'm telling you guys that's where he is. He's about 4 foot, so give you guys an average ballpark of what to expect when ordering. Next, I got him this green plaid button-up. It is a little bit thicker, but it's good because he can probably get away with this undershirt under here, maybe a white t-shirt, and this as like a jacket almost, just depending on, he can rock it however, but this is how it looks. It's a little bit of a green and blue. I think this is really cute for the winter. Still be cool and comfortable for school. Even though they'll be out soon, I just feel like this is a cute shirt for him to wear when he's in school and playing with his friends. The next item I got is this turtleneck. It's like one of those low turtleneck. All right, so for the next item here, I have this brown lightweight top. It has black and white stripes. There is nothing on the back here. Again, I did purchase this in a 7Y, and this is very lightweight. He can wear this with like an undershirt and be still comfortable and cute at the same time while he's in school, because he still is a little boy, so he's very active. So I want to make sure that he's still comfortable but still cute at the same time while he's at school. And when I saw this online, I thought this was so cute, y'all. So it has like a little hood, and it's like one of those like plaid jackets, kind of say. It's more like a shirt, but I feel like if you wear a white shirt under it, it would be able to pull off the look if I wanted to wear it as a jacket. So this is really cute. It's the flannel type jackets with the plaid. It has the green, the red, the brown, which I think is really cute. So I'm very excited for him to wear it. It's definitely gonna be a Tim's type of fit, okay? But this is really cute, and I'm really excited for him to wear this. So this is another plaid piece. When I purchased that like sweater, that tan cashmere looking one I try to describe to you guys, I saw this and I thought this may pair well together depending on how the shirt fits. So I was like, you know, well, if he wear that, he maybe can wear this together. But even if not, this is a cute little cardigan for him. It's a like, I don't know if you want to say caramel brown or a mustard. I don't even know. However you may describe it. This is how it looks. It has black buttons, and then it has like that, I want to say scrunch or closed in material on the arms and on the bottom of the cardigan. This is really cute. Something he can just throw on. This piece is a jacket. Now about this jacket, I thought it was a little bit heavier. So when I was thinking about this jacket, I thought it was like a peacoat. But now it's more like it's a jacket, but it's not as thick as I thought it was going to be. But I got him this little jacket here. It does have these sleeves. And it has the black button up. This is like a gray, nice little jacket. Again, he can throw it on. It's not too heavy, so it can still wear it. My son is a high-natured child, so he does not like to wear a lot of layers. Or he doesn't like wearing a jacket. Like, he'll wear his jacket to the car and As soon as you get in the car, he'll take it off. My daughter does the same way. But definitely thought this was going to be heavier, but still it can be worn. So this is a gray jacket that I purchased for him. Next, to still fall with the plaid area, I brought him this blue shirt with the plaid collar. It doesn't have anything on the sleeve, but it still takes it down to the blue sleeves. It's like a blue shirt, something just really cute if we want to take casual. I got these actually because I wanted to see about taking pictures and have them wearing plaid, because my tree this year is the plaid, but it's the black and red plaid. But I'm thinking about taking them outside to take pictures, so we'll see. But for the most part, this is still a cute little shirt for him to wear and have in his closet. So I definitely purchased him one of those. Next item I got for him was this cute cardigan here as well. It is tan and black. This right here, this is cute. So a part of the things I brought him that you all don't see now, but I have got him, I did buy him a black turtleneck. So I think this is going to be really cute with the black turtleneck that I brought him, and him wearing this. This is definitely going to be something really cute that I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to take pictures in. So this is definitely something that I was so excited to add to his collection. All right, so what I have here is another jacket, and it is this black and brown kind of suede jacket. It's a zipper, got that type of material in the inside. It's very lightweight, and it has a hood. I like hoods on jackets for kids, because that way when it gets cooler at night, if it gets too cold, they can just throw their hood on. And then y'all, I've been looking for these hats, and when I saw them on Shein, I was like, I don't know. But I was like, no, but you like them, so just get it. So I found this little hat here for my son, and it's the kind that has no like whatever you call the front part, it don't have that. And I thought these were so cute. Like, this is like, ooh, like I get excited all the time when I think about things that's gonna work out. Okay, but anywho, this is what I found. So I'm really excited for him to wear this, and I hope it turns out good for him. But that is one of the pieces that I found, and I was so excited that I got it for him. He tried it on last night. He was looking real cute. Okay, do not play with my son, because he is not what it is. Okay, y'all, that is it for his side of the haul. Now let's get into Jackson. Okay guys, so I thought that was it, and I realized I had these pants. So I did buy him these plaid pants. They are straight. They are like the sweatpants, like kind of material, but they're still like dressy. They got pockets, nice little button here. But can you hear the type of material I'm trying to tell you? It doesn't tell me the type of material, so I can't tell you guys. But yeah, this is some pants I got him. So this is really the last piece, y'all. Sorry. So now let's get into Jackson. All right, guys. So for the first set here that I have for Jackson, it is this blue polka dot set. It's more of, I can't even describe this type of material, but as you can see, it's very soft, a little bit on the thicker side. It does have like the cuff, almost like the jogger setup as far as the pants are made. And then it comes with this cute little sweater to match. This will be something definitely she'll be wearing to school, get her looking real cute. I like buying set for my kids, but definitely Jackson, because it makes it easier for her to match a set for her to be cute when she's going to daycare. And I just like sets in general because it makes it easier to get them dressed in the morning when they're going to school. Next thing I got here is because it definitely is getting colder for the kids, that I got Jackson another jacket. So for this jacket, is cute. It's like an ABC letter jacket. It's pink, and it has like the soft little material in the inside, keeping them nice and warm and cozy. And it has a little bear ears. So this is a little pink coat that I did get Jackson, so she can be cute and cuddly. I said cuddly because she's a little bear, but for the cold. So let's go ahead and get into the next piece. I saw this brown dress for her, and it has the flannel bottom. It has a little bit of the flannel sleeves in the back portion. In the front, you don't see that too much, but in the back, it is all the flannel portion. In the front, you have that collar, and then it goes down into the dress part. I feel like it may be maybe shorter. They have not tried anything on, so I'm definitely going to have to see how this fits for them so I can know how to prepare for them to wear in the future. But definitely this is a cute little item that I wanted to add to her collection. Next item I got is a set. It is these blue pants with the on the knee heart cheetah prints. And it's like that on both sides. And then I have the shirt to match, which is the blue cheetah print, and it has like the little flare out sleeves, which are so cute. This is very lightweight. Now regarding sizes, Jackson is 3 years old. She's about 30 pounds. She just turned 3 in October, so I ordered her 100. And though I don't think the 100 is not in their age range, size wise, this is where it works for her, because a lot of things, even though when I wash it, it still gets a little bit too big. So they're more longer in shirts or in pants. Sometimes it just really depends on the item I purchased, where one may be longer than the other, and even with the wash, it still kind of be big when I order the 110. So I like the 100 because it's like perfect for her. So I did order these in 100. So that is a size range, just to give you guys a ballpark and an expectation to give you like how to size things based on each other. I definitely wanted to get her some cute little sweaters that she can throw on too, with some cute little sayings. So I got a brown one that says Mama's Bestie, because y'all, this girl, that's my girl. The next little sweater I got, because we can't leave Daddy out, so we got a shirt that says Daddy's Girl, because she's like a mixture of both. Like, she knows she can come to me because she know I'm with it. Like, come on, girl, let's go. We're gonna get it. Let's get some candy. Daddy's like, nah. But she's like, Daddy, you know, she's just a daddy girl. But so I just got her a shirt that says Daddy's Girl. It's a black sweater, just like the brown one, just black with different saying. So I thought that was really cute. Wanted to add to collection because she can just throw that on as well with an undershirt and get ready for school. All right, guys, so the next outfit I have here for her is another set. It is this cute blue and heart-shaped prints on these pants. They're very lightweight. The top is also the blue with the heart print, and then it has the word love on the front in gold. This is really cute, very lightweight. I'm starting to like these little shoulder things on her, so when I saw this, I was like, oh yeah, this is really cute, gotta add this to her collection. So this is the set. This is how it comes. Very lightweight, very comfortable. Next, I wanted to add these pants. Jackson does not like to wear pants. I don't know if it's just my kid or what, but she does not like to wear pants. So I'm trying to find more lightweight things that maybe make it easier and comfortable for her. So I saw these pants, and I got a pink and a black pair. They're more scrunchy, which I feel like that may be more attention to her legs, but I feel like she rolls them up, so I feel like this may be comfortable and more comfortable for her to wear it, and you know, kind of like gradually get her on the road of like, girl, you gotta wear pants, like stop rolling them up, you're not LL Cool J type of vibe. So I kind of hope like these little scrunchy pants will help with that. But I saw these and thought they were really cute, so I got her a pink and a black pair. Also, I was on the website and I saw some more dresses like I told you guys earlier. So I saw this green, black and cream or white dress. It's long sleeve with have turtleneck, very lightweight material, and it's long. And then I also purchased some black stockings to go with it. So I have some black stockings here. I also have another pair of black stockings, but they cut at the knee. So I have a full black stockings, kind of like that wool material pattern going, and then this other black pair that's cuts at the ankle. I have to match the dress, so I'm not really sure which one I'm going to wear. This one can almost be like leggings, but I'm not really sure. We have to see how this actually looks and how thin it is when she actually puts it on. But I did purchase 2 pair to try to go with the dress. Next, I have this really cute colorful set. It is purple with the kind of like rainbow style stripe on the side, and then the shirt to match, I have this little kitty shirt that has the like rainbow colorful stripes on it to match the actual stripes on the side of the pants. So together, this is how the set looks. It's lightweight, so I feel like she'll still be comfortable while she's in daycare to be able to move around in and still be able to be cute. Next, I saw this cute little brown shirt that said smile. It's brown, but at the bottom it has a white like collar shirt out that airs out on these sleeves, and at the bottom fringe. I think that's really cute, very stylish for a little 3-year-old to wear and still be comfortable, because this is lightweight as well. A lot of their items are not too heavy for the kids section, which I do like, because a lot of kids don't like a lot on them. So I feel like this is going to be cute but still be comfortable, and it's still long sleeve, so you still, you know, dress for the weather. So I thought this was a definitely cute addition to her collection, and I really love the ruffle sleeves out on the end. That is really cute. So I'm definitely looking forward for her wearing this, and definitely looking forward to taking some pictures. Another piece I got is a plaid dress. It is long and it's long sleeve. It has the collars, the collar top. It has the long sleeve with the kind of like flannel out at the end, and it has like a little stretch on the sleeve, so it's like stretched out, making it comfortable for the kid. And it has the button down shirt. The back just shows the actual flannel back. I think this is really cute. Again, like my son, I got something for him, and I feel like the plaid look might be cute for a casual day. I'm trying to do something outside, so I feel like with the hint of green and like the nice soft colors, it may go well with what I'm trying to do for them. So I think this will be really cute. Next, I saw this cute white button up that has the heart prints on it, which is really cute. It's a top, and then it has like the scrunch around like towards the waist part, which I thought was really cute, which will probably make this end like flare out more. This is really cute. It has the white buttons on there, and it has the collar top. It's very thin, so I would definitely wear an undershirt under this, but this is something I saw was different, and I like things that are different, so I thought this would be really cute for her to wear. Next, I have this sweater that is hearts on there. It has like a little glitter heart right here and a pink one, which I feel like she was going to love because she loves pink and she loves things that sparkle. So I thought this would be really cute. It says Peace Club, which I thought was really cute. This sweater is a little bit thicker than the other sweaters that I have purchased, so definitely, you know, just, you know, one of the things you want to be mindful of when purchasing this sweater was a little bit thicker, so it definitely will be for one of those colder days and as they come. But this is really cute, and the back doesn't have anything on it, so it's all white with the little designs on the front. So I thought that was really cute for her. And then when I got this sweater, I came across this purse. Now she may not wear this together, but my little girl is girly, so I wanted to get her some more purses. So I purchased this cute little pink heart purse. Now it's really long, so of course I'm gonna have to do something with it. I don't know, and I didn't know it was gonna be this big, but this is how it looks, y'all. She's already excited. She saw it last night. She's ready to like put it on, so I'm gonna figure out how to shrink the chain a little bit, and she gonna rock out with her little heart purse. All right, and one last piece, guys. I ordered a hat, and look, look how it came messed up. I'm gonna try to iron this out to see if that may fix it, but it may not. And I'm wanting to send a message to Shein and let them know that, like, y'all got to do better with packaging, and I probably will. But I wanted to show you guys how it came in a package and how I received it. I ordered this for Jackson. This was in a kid size. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.